What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to peek or lean in Battlefield 6. Let me walk you through exactly how to set it up, whether you are using a controller or playing with a keyboard and mouse. First, you'll want to make sure the keypads are actually set, cause by default the lean or peek option usually isn't assigned. So first of all, go into options, and if you are using a controller, select controller, look at the bottom right and click edit settings, then go into controller mapping and scroll down until you find lean/peek. Once you see it, just assign a button that feels comfortable to use while aiming. Now if you are on mouse and keyboard, switch over to mouse and keyboard tab. From there, go into infantry/passenger keybinds and then scroll down until you find lean/peek. Just set your preferred key there. Once that's done, hop into a game, aim down sights and press that key or button to lean around corners and peek safely. That's all there is to it. Hope this helped, and if it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.